Resolve and prevent duplicate data. After completing this unit, you will be able to explain the difference between matching rules and duplicate rules, identify features of standard matching rules, discover options for customizing matching rules, create a matching rule. Rules deep dive. Matching rules and duplicate records and duplicate rules work together to ensure that your sales team work with data that's free of duplicates. Before your reps save new and update records, matching rules and duplicate rules provide warnings of potential duplicates. You manage matching rules and duplicate rules in Setup. Guys, you have watched the previous video. We have already had a quick look here what this is about. Well, what's the difference between matching rules and duplicate rules? Matching rules, let's look at how matching rules work in Salesforce. I'm gonna pause here real quick, have a look at this video. You won't hear the audio, that's why I'm not playing it. So it's a short 3-minute video. It basically just shows how matching rules work, like what you can define here. For example, first name, last name, title, and account. If all this matches, then there is an alert, and if less matches, then there's none. And you can all define this here. Fuzzy matching, exact matching, all that kind of stuff. Fuzzy means very similar but not entirely. Now let's just continue here. We develop our standard matching rules to return the best possible set of match candidates for business accounts, contacts, leads, and personal accounts. Here's an example of some of the matching criteria we include for contact and leads records. Contact and a lead field, first name, matching algorithms, exact initial, yarrow, wrinkler, distance, metaphone free, name variant. If the record contains a value for both first and last name, those fields are transposed to consider possible data entry mistakes. Example, the first name is Louis and the last name is Antonio. The matching rule evaluates the first name as Antonio and the last name as Louis. Title, acronyms, exact, callback, leader, distance. Considers acronyms and full title. The title is VP, the matching rule considers VP and Vice President. Mailing street, edit distance, exact. The address is broken into sections and compared with those sections. Each section has its own matching record and match score. So this is quite advanced. I didn't even know that they do this. So they have some way to evaluate the distance and all that kind of stuff. Duplicates, compare these two addresses: Market Street, STE 100, 123 Market Drive, STE 300. Only the street number and street name match. The field has a match score of 70 out of a possible 80. Then comparison isn't a match. We also give you other ways to identify duplicates. For example, some of your contacts include phone numbers with country codes. We create custom matching rules to include fuzzy matching for phone numbers. Salesforce flag contact with matching phone numbers as duplicates, even though one includes a country code and the other one doesn't. Duplicate rules. Now let's learn more about using duplicate rules to manage records. I'm gonna watch this real quick here. So the video is about enabling potential duplicates in the page layout. So you need to go through the Lightning App Builder and and drag it there. What she does there now. And then it's visible in the sales review, like what you see here. And what else she went through? The permissions. Firstly, how it looks like for the sales rep, for the account and contact, and also how to edit different permissions when the sales rep is alerted to the duplicate. What she can do, for example, if she doesn't have permissions to view the records, how this is handled through permission sets and all that kind of stuff. So even if a person cannot view it, there's still ways to handle this, but it's all quite complex for such a short video, so I barely even recall it after watching, so let's just continue here. That's something you really want to get into through the help page in Salesforce when you actually plan to implement this. So after matching rule to do the work of identifying potential duplicates, duplicate rules stepped in and determine what to do with them. As the admin, you choose whether to block your sales team from creating duplicate records. So that was also a setting that could be enabled there, so even if the person has no access to view the records, so the rep cannot even tell if the match, if the duplicate is really a duplicate, you can still block the rep from creating a duplicate record. So let's say your reps create duplicate records. You can create report types that show potential duplicate records created after your reps bypass warnings. We talk about these reports more a bit later. Activate a matching rule. We provide standard matching rules for you. If you established your instance of Salesforce for winter 2015 or earlier, like Maria, you can activate the standard rules you want to use. Maria, however, wants to activate standard rules for only accounts and leads. She has other plans for contacts, which we cover after this procedure. From setup, enter matching rules in the quick find box and select matching rules. She clicks activate next to the rules for accounts and leads. Let's see. The matching rules are here. So account and leads, we click activate. So I have activated both here. Let's continue. Create a custom matching rule for contacts. For contacts, Maria wants to include fuzzy matching for mailing street field. And instead of sales reps letting them create duplicates, she wants to block them from doing so, which we cover after this procedure. From setup, Maria enters matching rules in the quick find box and selects matching rules. She clicks new rule. Maria selects contacts. Next. She gives the rule a description, a descriptive name, custom contact matching, fuzzy mailing street. She also adds a description so that other admins understand its value. Description. Exact, fuzzy street. Maria adds the matching criteria, the options match blank fields, compares records with empty fields, and considers the records as duplicates. But that's not what Maria wants. She saves her rule and activates it. Block duplicates with fuzzy mailing streets. Before an active matching rule can do anything, if you pair it with a duplicate rule, Maria wants to prevent sales teams from creating duplicates when the mailing street fields include variants such as SW Barnes Ave and Southwest Barnes Avenue. From setup, Maria enters duplicate rules in the quick find box and selects duplicates rules. She clicks New Rule and selects Contact. Maria gives the duplicate rule a name and description. She blocks the creation of duplicates. She also blocks her team from editing contacts. So let's type it here, custom rule to block contacts. Can't really copy everything here, but let's just try it. So, description I'm not gonna copy, and then enforce sharing rules is selected. She blocks the creation of duplicates, but she also blocks her teams from adding content that result in duplicates. She compares a new updated contact with contacts already in Salesforce using the custom matching rule she created earlier. Then she adds her duplicate rule. So the standard one. And the custom one as well. Report on the creation of duplicate accounts and leads. Let's just save this. Apparently it's finished here. Invalid data. Select a contact matching rule only once. So apparently it doesn't really work. I was already surprised. So let's just save it like this. Yeah, that actually works. Not really sure why there's a warning, but anyway. Report on the creation of duplicate accounts and leads. Maria doesn't block her apps from creating duplicates for accounts and leads, so Lincoln wants to see the quality of account and lead data and how well the duplicate rule works. To help Lincoln, Maria sets up custom reporting types. Lincoln can then run reports on accounts and leads that his reps create after bypassing the warnings of creating potential duplicate records. From setup, Maria enters report types in the quick find box and then selects report types. She then clicks new custom report types. Primary object accounts, she gives the report type a name and stores it in a category. Look at the account creation. Deployment status and deployment. From here, Maria can adjust the page layout. She then repeats this procedure for leads. Don't really say which one to choose here, but I guess the first one makes sense. Each A record must have at least one related B record. Let's save this. From here, Maria can adjust the page layout. She then repeats the procedure for leads. Alright, there we go. Creating an environment free of duplicates helps your sales team keeping them on the A game and sales management informed. Creating an environment free of duplicates keeps your sales team on the A game and sales management is informed on the quality of their data. Hands-on challenge. Create and activate rule with fuzzy logic. Identify duplicate contacts using a matching rule tailored to your company. Create a matching rule for the contact object with the name contact with fuzzy logic. Email exact first name, fuzzy first name. Okay, let's do this. The first name, activate the rule. Match blank fields. What was that about? If you select this option for any field and that field is blank in both of the records being compared, the fields are considered matches. I'll just leave it as it is and then deactivate it, and that's it. It's a really easy challenge. So before I click on check challenge, let's go through this again. What we did here, we went through matching rules and duplicate rules. checked what we can actually do there, like the different type of matching algorithms and what they match to, how we can manage records with duplicate rules, how we can use the rules for matching different things. And we created reports on matching potential duplicates for records, for account records and lead records. So let's check the challenge to earn 500 points. We should be good to go. And we got a shiny new badge. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you have any feedback, whether positive or negative, just type it below. And if you would like to see more videos, hit the subscribe button and you will get a notification whenever I add new videos. Thank you so much for watching again and have a great day.